Welcome, all of you, and today the focus is on Reiki spiritual bath. Reiki, I'm sure all of you are aware, it's a universal life force energy. It is a healing energy derived from a Japanese word called Rei, that is universal. Ki is the life force energy. In India, we call it prana Shakti. And only when this life force energy is flowing through our body, you feel healthy, you feel good, you are active. But somewhere, due to various reasons, emotional and mental blocks, there are blockages that gets created, and then this life force energy doesn't flow freely through our body. And that's the reason we do various healings so that we can get back to normalcy. Reiki is one such modality. So we can quickly get into this technique of Reiki spiritual bath. So now let's relax our body. You can close your eyes. Just relax your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Wonderful. Once more, breathe in and breathe out. Now we first do the relaxation and then we get into the Reiki bath. Just relax the top of your head, just relax. Let go all the tension and all the stress. Relax your forehead, your eyes, your facial muscles, your nose. Just focus there. Your mouth, your throat, both your shoulders, your arms, up to the tip of your fingers. Just relax. Wonderful. Relax your chest, your stomach muscles, your thighs, knees, calf muscles, and feet. Relax your whole back. Just relax your whole body. Any thoughts that are coming into your mind, just let go. Don't give it any importance. Now we'll start with this beautiful Reiki spiritual bath. Just visualize at the top of your head a beautiful white light. The energy, it's like a waterfall. It's flowing from the top of your head. It's going into your head. It's cleansing your brain, your neuron pathways. All the brain cells are being cleansed with this beautiful divine energy. You can feel the sensation. Cleansing, clearing, and energizing. It's flowing through your forehead, your eyes, your nose, releasing all the stress, all the tension, all unwanted thoughts are being washed away. It's flowing through your cheeks, internally, externally, your mouth, your tongue, your teeth, your chin. Wonderful. You can feel the energy flowing through your ears. All the stagnated energy, the toxic energy is being washed out. It's flowing through your shoulder blades, both your arms, up to the tip of your fingers. You can feel this energy flowing externally and internally. This is the divine energy releasing all the stagnated energy that is there in your body. It's flowing through your chest, flowing through your lungs, flowing through your stomach muscles, It's flowing through your whole back. Divine love and light energy is flowing through your thighs, knees, calf muscles and feet. It's flowing through every cell, every organ of your body. It's flowing through your aura. We have an energy body outside our physical body. It's penetrating into your body also. It's flowing through the aura. Cleansing, clearing, energizing. We have the energy centers running through our body, 7 major centers. It's flowing through all the energy centers. It's flowing through your muscular system, skeletal system, your nervous system. Your whole body is being washed with this beautiful spiritual energy, internally and externally. Unwanted thoughts are being cleansed, it's being washed out. Be with this energy, feel this energy, flow of energy from the top of your head to the tip of your toe. You can release this energy to Mother Earth. Just visualize roots coming out from your feet and going deep down into Mother Earth, connecting to Mother Earth. All the unwanted energies is going through the root down to Mother Earth, because Mother Earth converts this into love and light energy. You're being rooted to Mother Earth, grounded and rooted to Mother Earth. Connect to Mother Earth. Take her blessings. Now, you need to come back. So through the roots, taking the blessings of Mother Earth, you're coming through the root, you've reached your feet, and this energy is now flowing through your calf muscles, knees, thighs. It's flowing through your root center, that is the base of the spine. It's flowing through your navel, through all your muscles, your bones. You're taking the blessings and all this energy is flowing upwards. And you can swirl this energy around your whole body. Let it come up, and it is swirling all the way to the top of your head. And now you can place your hands at the heart level, and you can give in your affirmation, I'm happy, healthy and peaceful. I'm happy, healthy, peaceful. Abundance is flowing through my life. I'm balanced. I'm physically very, very strong. Mentally, emotionally, well balanced. Say a thank you to yourself. Very important, you need to know your self-worth. Say thank you to yourself. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank your soul. Thank the people around you. Once you feel comfortable, you can very gently open your eyes. Place your palms on your eyes. And very gently, you can open your eyes with a big smile. I'm sure you have had a very fantastic feeling because this is a wonderful technique. Even a non-Reiki channel can do it. And this is going to benefit you in all spheres, that is physical, mental, emotional. And when the blockages are cleared, you know what happens? You'll be able to attract what you really desire or wish to happen in your life. The manifestation keeps happening faster. But when there are blockages, it blocks the manifestation. You can use this simple technique in your daily life. Thank you so much for being with me. And I felt very good, and I'm sure you're also feeling energized. I'm coming out with a subscription plan where we will meet for 2 sessions, that is online. We will do the practice session. Okay, it'll be for 45 minutes. We'll do the practice session. And along with the practice session, I will be taking you through guided meditations. There'll be affirmations. There'll be group healings. And I'll come out with new topics also, where we can do crystal healing. And yes, I would also like to add on the neuro-linguistic programming along with Reiki. You will find all the details in the description. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful Reiki journey.